Good morning, teacher. My name is Yurley Yesenia Villamizar. How to refute an idea. You money be against Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump. The situation presented in this video is a debate where Hillary and Donald share their points of view regarding the use of the weapons and their restriction. My point of the view of the Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton in according to the debate is that I partially support Hillary's opinion since she says that the use of weapons should be restricted, that there should be limitation, which is very true. Everyone can agree to carry a firearm. While there are many children who can take these weapons and cause some injuries and even death of death. At present, we are exposed to many changes in emotional state which leads to accelerate things to it better not to have a firearm within reach. Thank you, teacher. Bye.